Imagine a life where your kidney health could be drastically improved simply by what you eat. This isn't just a hopeful thought, but a reality for those who understand the power of diet in healing and maintaining kidney function. Today, we're unveiling 7 key foods that might be missing from your plate, but are essential for revitalizing your kidneys. Stay tuned as we explore these culinary game changers that can transform your health in ways you never imagined. Kidney-related issues are far more common than most of us realize, affecting millions globally. These silent ailments, ranging from chronic kidney disease to acute kidney injuries, often go unnoticed until they become severe. The role of diet in kidney health is frequently underestimated, leading to a lack of awareness about how the foods we consume impact these vital organs. Many are unaware that everyday dietary choices can either put a strain on kidney function or significantly aid in their healing and maintenance. As we continue to overlook the crucial link between diet and kidney health, we risk increasing the prevalence of kidney-related complications, diminishing our overall quality of life. In this segment, we delve into why paying attention to what we eat is not just a matter of nutrition, but a critical aspect of safeguarding our kidney health. But there's a ray of hope. In the midst of these concerns, we've discovered something remarkable: a list of 7 essential foods that can be pivotal in healing and supporting your kidneys. These aren't just any foods, they are nature's own remedy, each with unique properties that target kidney health directly. From anti-inflammatory benefits to detoxifying effects, these foods are packed with nutrients crucial for kidney repair and maintenance. In today's session, we're not just going to reveal what these 7 foods are. We'll dive into how each one specifically aids your kidneys and how easily they can be integrated into your daily diet. So get ready for a journey that could transform your approach to kidney health and bring about positive changes you never thought possible with just your diet. Let's quickly understand the pivotal role of our kidneys. These vital organs, nestled beneath our rib cage, are essential for filtering waste, balancing electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. When they falter, our entire body feels the impact, from toxin buildup to imbalanced health. That's why what we eat plays a crucial role in keeping our kidneys functioning efficiently and keeping us healthy overall. You might be surprised to know that a common kitchen ingredient, often used to enhance flavor, holds extraordinary powers for your kidneys. This everyday item is more than just a culinary staple. It's a secret weapon in your kidney health arsenal. Can you guess what it is? It's garlic. This humble herb is a powerhouse for kidney health. Garlic is known for its natural diuretic properties, helping to increase urine output and thus aiding in the elimination of excess sodium and toxins, a critical process for healthy kidney function. Additionally, garlic's potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities help reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in kidney disease. The star component in garlic is allicin, a compound that not only gives garlic its distinct aroma, but also aids in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both vital for reducing kidney strain. Incorporating garlic into your diet is both easy and delicious. To maximize its health benefits, consume garlic raw or lightly cooked. You can mince fresh garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before adding it to your dishes, allowing the allicin to activate. Alternatively, you can make garlic-infused olive oil by crushing a few cloves and steeping them in olive oil for a few days. Drizzle this flavorful oil over your meals to not only enhance the taste, but also to give your kidneys a healthful boost. Tracing back to ancient civilizations, our next kidney-healing food has been a staple in human diets for thousands of years. Revered in both culinary and medicinal practices, this food has stood the test of time. Used by ancient healers for its remarkable health benefits, this tiny yet mighty seed has made its way through history as a symbol of wellness. It's none other than the flax seed. Today, modern science confirms what ancient practitioners have always known. Flax seeds are a powerhouse for kidney health. They are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, which is instrumental in reducing inflammation, a common culprit in kidney diseases. Moreover, flax seeds are high in lignans and fiber, which aid in detoxification and support healthy kidney function. Studies have shown that their regular consumption can improve kidney function in individuals with certain kidney conditions, thanks to their ability to reduce serum cholesterol and exert a protective effect against oxidative stress. Integrating flax seeds into your diet is both easy and beneficial. Start by sprinkling ground flax seeds over your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or smoothies. You can also mix them into your baking. Add them to bread, muffins, or pancakes for a nutritious twist. For a simple yet delicious recipe, try making a flaxseed chia pudding. Mix ground flax seeds and chia seeds with almond milk and a touch of honey. Let it sit overnight and enjoy a kidney-friendly breakfast or snack. Now let's turn our attention to 3 underestimated heroes in the world of kidney health. Often overlooked, these foods are everyday items in our kitchens, yet hold extraordinary benefits for our kidneys. These heroes are onions, beetroot, and bitter melon. Each of these foods, while common, brings unique and powerful properties to the table, playing a vital role in maintaining and improving kidney health. Our first hero, the onion, is known for its sharp taste and strong aroma, thanks to its rich sulfur compounds. These compounds are excellent for detoxifying the kidneys and reducing inflammation, crucial for preventing kidney damage. Onions also help in managing blood pressure, a key factor in maintaining kidney health. Next, we have beetroot, a vibrant and earthy vegetable. Beetroot is celebrated for its high nitrate content, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that aids in blood vessel health and blood pressure regulation. This is especially beneficial for those with chronic kidney disease as it helps reduce strain on the kidneys. Our third hero, bitter melon, might not win a popularity contest due to its sharp taste, but it's a powerhouse for kidney health. Particularly beneficial for those with diabetes-related kidney issues, bitter melon has properties that help regulate blood sugar levels, a key aspect of preventing and managing kidney disease. While these three foods offer remarkable benefits for your kidneys, the next two foods on our list might surprise you with their unexpected nature and powerful kidney healing properties. Stay tuned as we reveal these final two secret weapons for your kidney health. As we embrace the era of superfoods, one particular food has risen to fame for its remarkable health benefits, and rightly so. This modern superfood, widely celebrated in health circles and social media, is not just a trend, it's a game changer for kidney health. This food is the versatile and nutrient-packed carrot. Once just a humble root vegetable, carrots have now gained well-deserved recognition for their numerous health benefits, especially when it comes to supporting kidney function. Despite its popularity, there are misconceptions surrounding carrots. A common myth is that their high sugar content can be harmful, especially for those with kidney issues. However, the truth is that carrots contain natural sugars, which are part of a balanced diet, and their benefits far outweigh concerns about sugar content. Carrots are rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, which combat oxidative stress in the kidneys, crucial for preventing chronic kidney disease. They also provide a healthy dose of fiber, aiding in overall digestive and kidney health. It's important to note, though, that carrots have a medium potassium content, so those with advanced kidney issues should consider this when consuming them. Now we arrive at the pinnacle of our list, the ultimate kidney healer. This food, often underappreciated and overlooked, is a true powerhouse for kidney health. It's not exotic or rare, yet its benefits are extraordinary. This final item is something you might have enjoyed in your childhood and perhaps overlooked as an adult. Packed with a myriad of health benefits, this food is a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining or improving kidney function. Can you guess what this miraculous food is? The ultimate kidney healer is none other than the humble cranberry. While most known for its role in preventing urinary tract infections, cranberries are a treasure trove of benefits for kidney health. These tart berries are rich in antioxidants like proanthocyanidins, which not only fight inflammation but also prevent bacteria from adhering to the bladder and urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can strain the kidneys. Moreover, cranberries have been shown to lower the risk of kidney stones by preventing the formation of calcium oxalate, one of the most common types of kidney stone. They also aid in reducing oxidative stress and can help manage blood pressure, both crucial for optimal kidney function. Incorporating cranberries into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial. Whether it's drinking unsweetened cranberry juice, adding dried cranberries to your salads and cereals, or enjoying fresh cranberries in your smoothies, there are numerous ways to reap the benefits of this ultimate kidney healer. We strongly encourage you to make cranberries a regular part of your diet, especially if you're focused on kidney health. Your kidneys will thank you. Start your day with a smoothie blending beetroot, carrots, and a handful of cranberries for a nutrient-rich kickstart. Pair it with whole grain toast, topped with a spread of minced garlic. Enjoy a small bowl of yogurt mixed with ground flax seeds and a drizzle of honey for added sweetness. Prepare a vibrant salad with mixed greens, thinly sliced onions, grated carrots, and a sprinkle of dried cranberries. Dress it with flaxseed oil and a squeeze of lemon. For a quick and healthy snack, have a few slices of bitter melon with a dip or simply munch on carrot sticks. Cook a hearty stir-fry featuring garlic and onions, served alongside a portion of steamed beetroot. Include your choice of lean protein or legumes for a balanced meal. Treat yourself to a small serving of cranberry sorbet or fresh fruit salad with a hint of grated ginger for an extra zing. While focusing on these 7 foods, remember to incorporate a variety of other fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins to ensure a balanced diet. Pay attention to portion sizes. Even healthy foods can be overconsumed. Moderation is crucial, especially when considering foods with higher sugar or potassium content. Everyone's dietary needs are different, especially those with specific health conditions. Adjust this meal plan according to your personal health requirements and preferences. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration is vital for kidney health and helps in the processing and elimination of toxins. It's always a good idea to consult with a dietitian or a healthcare provider when making significant dietary changes, especially for those with existing health conditions. As we conclude our journey through these 7 extraordinary foods, let's quickly recap their importance for kidney health. We started with garlic, the natural diuretic and anti-inflammatory powerhouse, followed by flax seeds, rich in omega-3s and fiber, onions, with their detoxifying sulfur compounds, and beetroot, a nitrate-rich blood pressure regulator, came next. Bitter melon, the blood sugar balancer, preceded the crunchy and beta-carotene-rich carrots. Finally, we highlighted cranberries, the ultimate protector against urinary tract infections and kidney stones. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly contribute to improved kidney function and overall health. Remember, the power to improve your kidney health lies largely in your hands, or more accurately, on your plate. By making mindful choices about what you eat, you can actively support and enhance the health of your kidneys. Small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your health. We encourage you to embrace these foods, experiment with new recipes, and enjoy the journey to better kidney health. We would love to hear from you. Have you tried incorporating any of these foods into your diet for kidney health? Do you have any recipes or tips to share? Or perhaps you have a story about how dietary changes have impacted your health? Please leave your comments, experiences, and thoughts below. Your insights could be incredibly valuable to others in our community looking to improve their kidney health. Let's learn from and support each other in our journey to better health. Before we sign off, a quick reminder. If you found this video helpful and would like to discover more ways to enhance your health, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll get notified about our latest videos, filled with valuable tips and insights into various aspects of health and wellness. And if you're looking for daily health tips and inspiration, make sure to follow us on our social media channels. We regularly post content that can help you on your journey to a healthier, happier life. So, subscribe, follow, and join our growing community of health enthusiasts. Together, let's make health a priority.